Gbadata. This song was written on the 12th of May 2016, just the next day after Immaculate Mary. I was inspired by the beautiful song by Hakot White, Monso nke si n'igwe nụrụ olu anyị. That song. Whew. I also wanted to write something really, really simple with a very simple chorus, inspired by the genius of Ijaji. Yes, Ijaji is just that one line of chorus, and it's easy to catch on. So I've always wanted to write a song that could be sung by anyone, and also went with the structure of making the melody take the lead whilst all the other parts do the who's and ahs. So Gbadata, so Gbadata.